Okay, back with this problem here, solving rational equations that lead to quadratic equations. Bob Young here. Going to see how we did on this problem here. So we left off multiplying through by the LCD of x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if I were y'all, and hopefully you did this, you would put a 1 underneath each one of these creatures here and start doing some chopping. And I like to use these different colors when I chop, like the x minus 1s go out, the x plus 1s go out, equal to, on this, look at all this, the x plus 1s and the x minus 1s go out, just leaving you with this negative 8 over here. So how nice is that? Now, did y'all realize on this one, looking at when you factored everything here, the answers, the forbidden answers for x cannot be negative 1, x can't be a positive 1, because negative 1 causes division by 0 here and here, and positive 1 causes division by 0 here and here. So 2 forbidden answers on this. And again, these will lead to quadratic equations when the fractions go bye-bye, as we will see here. So continuing, we're going to end up with the bottom statement here, negative 4x times x plus 1 plus 4 times x minus 1 equals negative 8. How are you doing on your work? I hope this is working well for you. I hope you know what to do next to solve these equations. We've been doing them long enough. Distribute. So distributing here, we're going to end up with negative 4x squared minus 4x. So watch those signs. It just takes 1 and it's all over. Plus 4 times x minus 1 is 4x minus 4. Leaving you with, collecting like terms here, notice that the x's go out, minus 4x plus 4x, leaving us with minus 4x squared plus 4 equals 0. Now notice here, they're trying to keep, and you always want to keep the number in front of this x squared positive, and they've noticed there was a number that they could divide by to make this easier, which in this case, to take out the negative in the front and make this easier to solve, they said, hey, we could divide everything by negative 4 using that multiplication property of equality, and we get down to a very nice x squared minus 1 equals 0, which that we know is the difference of two perfect squares and factors into x plus 1 times x minus 1. Setting each one equal to 0, we get two answers, two proposed answers. Can either one happen? We got negative 1 or 1. Great Scott, my spider sense is really tingling. So on this one, neither of the two answers is valid because they would both cause division by 0. So again, all of that work for nothing. The answer is no solution. So I hope you all got that one right. And I know that was kind of mean and tricky of me, but I wanted to burn that in there. Always check and make sure no answers cause division by 0. Bob Young signing off.